Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Cahya Al-Mumtahana. I am English Education student 2016 in English Education Study Program in Faculty Language Education, IKIP Siliwangi. This video made for requirement of my final project for my Sarjana Pendidikan degree. The title of my final project is The Implementation of Teaching Speaking through Communicative Language Teaching or CLT approach using school website. Okay, this is my overview, the presentation. The first one is research background. The second one is objective of the research. The third is research methodology. The fourth is result. And the last is conclusion. Alright, we are moved to the section 1. It is research background. So, learning English is important because English is international language that used in various life sectors, and because the objective of learning language is communication. Because of that, speaking has to be mastered by students in learning language. However, the students sometimes find difficulties in speaking, difficult to clarify what they want to say. The development of language is a conversation and to express all about opinions that we want to say. That is why the teacher should find a suitable approach for teaching speaking. Because of this, the CLT approach is expected to support the student to be able to make a conversation by using English. So, it could be minimizing the students' difficulties in learning speaking. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, teaching learning activities being enabled met in the class by face-to-face learning. Because of that, the school should implement online learning using a school website as a medium. And then, there are three objectives of the research. The first one is to describe the implementation of teaching speaking through communicative language teaching or CLT approach using school website. The second one is to investigate the teachers and students' responses toward the implementation of teaching speaking through communicative language teaching or CLT approach using a school website. And the third is to identify teachers' difficulties in the implementation of teaching speaking through communicative language teaching or CLT approach using school website. And now we are moved to the section 3. It's about research methodology. We have research method, subject of the research, and instruments. This study is used descriptive qualitative method since it's concerned with the relationship between a text and context. And then the subject of the research are 29 students of 7th graders in one junior high school in Bandung. And then the instruments that researchers use are observation sheet, interview, questionnaire, and then test. The observation sheet was applied because it enabled the researcher to note everything related teaching learning process. And then the questionnaire was aimed at collecting information and learns about student responses about this research. Then the interview was applied because it enabled to gather more responses about teachers' difficulties in teaching. And the test was applied by English teacher because it enabled to measure the skill abilities possessed by the subject of the research. And now we are in the main point of my final project. It is result. The results show for the scenario and implementation, the teaching learning consists of 3 meetings with the stages, pre-activities, main activities, and post-activities. So, for the teaching activities, the teaching material be prepared by the teacher on school website firstly. Then, the teaching material can be accessed by the student on school website, or the teacher and student discuss the material in online learning. The teacher teach speaking about conversation in pairs about student daily activities. In the first meeting, second meeting, and then third meeting, the teacher teach about telling time, learning simple present tense, and then about time preposition to make a good conversation. After that, the teacher gave a speaking test which also appear on school website. The test is make a video conversation in pairs by using voice note. Then the students speaking assignment collect on school website by entering a link from the video conversation that was previously uploaded on Instagram. And about the teachers and students' responses, the teachers' responses collect by interview, and the result is teachers' responses to teaching speaking through communicative language teaching, or CLT approach, was effective in online learning, even though not as perfect as face-to-face learning. And then the student responses. The student gave positive responses to the implementation of teaching speaking through CLT approach using school website. Based on the questionnaire, 51.7% of students felt that they had no difficulty in learning, and 93.1% of students said the school website could help them in learning speaking during online learning. And the teacher's difficulties are how the materials in school website must be arranged as clear as possible so that students understand, because it is different with offline or face-to-face learning. And the second is the teacher was quite difficult in checking the passive student. This is because not all students respond directly in online learning, and there were misinformation and miscommunication in delivered the instruction, which made some students assignment are not in accordance with the instruction. So the conclusion is the scenario and implementation of teaching speaking through CLT approach using school website consists of 3 meetings. In each meeting, the scenario was well applied. The technical of teaching process used the school website to deliver the learning material, so the students could access it independently, then continue it with the synchronous learning in Google Meet. Then the teachers and student responses toward implementation of teaching speaking through CLT approach using school website show positive response. The teacher said this learning was effective enough. Based on the result of questionnaire, 51.7% of students felt that they had no difficulty in learning, including 93.1% of students said the school website could help them in learning speaking during online learning. And the teacher found some difficulties in learning process. The teacher was quite difficult in checking the passive student, whether they understood or needed more explanation. There was also misinformation in delivering the instruction. Some students' assignments were not in accordance with the instructions. That's all my final project presentation. Thank you for your attention, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.